We divide 519 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting we get 1. So we put down this 1 and it is 11. 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 1. Again we put down this 9 and it is 19. 2 times 9 is 18. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 519 divided by 2 is 259.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.